What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So there's some weird activity that's going on with my coin. So I wanted to talk about buy the dip coin and explain what I see that's happening in here and why I believe that they're not really getting any type of benefit from it besides kind of increasing the price rapidly and decreasing the price rapidly. They think they're getting something out of it, but it doesn't look like they are. So anyways, before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want some not financial advice, hoodies or t-shirts, feel free to check out that link down below, profitsapparel.com. Feel free to get yourself some gear, and I think it looks really clean, so definitely check it out. But there's one more thing. If you guys want to buy the dip coin, all you have to do is go over to PancakeSwap, and that's where you can get it. Anything that communicates with PancakeSwap, you can get buy the dip coin on. So you can get it on Trust Wallet, on MetaMask wallet, and you can buy the dip coin. So let's go ahead and dive into some stuff here. What we're looking at first is let's look at where the price is. So currently the price is at $2.43. That's where you're seeing it at right now. You can see the fluctuation in the movement. Let's go ahead and look down here and see what did happen. From the beginning, we did see some massive growth, which was really, really good on the way up. A lot of people were getting into it, right? It was brand new. You did have some big moves, which started getting me to really look at exactly what's happening here with these larger movements instead of some of these smaller movements that we've been seeing in the beginning. What's going on with these larger movements? So we started looking into these, and then we saw that at this point you did see $3.86 before it started to decrease heavily, right? You had people that held a little bit more. So understand that as you see higher prices, people will decide to sell either some of their position or all of their position. And we had some bigger holders down in this 19-cent area. And I'm sure that they probably sold off a lot of their position from here, but you did see the recovery. So it went all the way from $3.88 all the way down to about 80 or 70 cents or something like that, 80 cents or so. But then you started to see that eventual climb again. You started to see a good, decent sized climb where people were buying into it. You saw more people come in. This is where we only had probably 70 people that were holding it, and now we have 140 people that are holding it. So we're obviously doubling in the amount as we hit higher highs. People are, maybe selling portions or all of it, and then it's going to more people. While one person holds, let's say 1,000, in the next rise or the next fall and rise, that person that was holding 1,000 split it into 10 people or split it into 20 people. And now we're looking at more people that are holding, which is more of a healthy coin as you do see something like that. Now, when we are seeing this growth, we're starting to see bigger candlesticks, which is, again, was starting to make me look at it and say, what is going on here? Why are we seeing these larger candlesticks? Why are we seeing this much movement? And it's because when you have a coin with less circulating supply or less supply in general, any movement really affects the price in a big way. It's just like how you see farm coin all the time, jump from 100 and rise very, very fast all the way up to $200, $250 is because any small movement with a coin that has, thousands of coins rather than millions or billions of coins, you're going to see some massive movement in the price because of the fact that you're buying one coin or you're buying two coins. Buying one coin is like buying, 10,000 of another coin, right? That's just how it goes. So the price movement looks healthy. I'm really, really excited. I don't like this large dip, but I understand what did happen. You had a couple of holders that were big holders that decided to sell off some. Now, getting into some of the detail here. Right, market cap right now is $350 or $365,000, which is really good. We did see it up in the range of 500,000, which was amazing to be able to see that. The total supply is 150,000, which doesn't really go into everything. It includes anything that's burned, includes anything that's locked. That's where the market cap does include. So the total supply is literally the total supply, not just the circulating supply. So you're looking at 150,000 that's out there in total, 35,000 of which cannot be touched. 20 27,000, 15,000 of that, which is mine, which will not be moved for a while. And then you'll see, that you have 10,000 that's going to be added to liquidity at the current stage. And then you have 60,000 that's going to be total amount that's going to burn off for Shiba Inu and burn BTD. So if we look into the holders right now, this is what's really getting, what's drawing my attention. So currently, it's good that we see the transactions. We're now over 1,000 transactions, which is definitely great. 140 addresses that are holding it. If you look at some of the holders, like I said, you have 60,000 that's sitting out there to be burned / sell for Shiba Inu. 35,000 that's sitting in the contract address, 25,000, which 15,000 of that is my own. And then 10,000 is, going to go to liquidity pool at the current price, whatever the current price ends up being. But you can see here that at this moment, there's only one address that holds well over 1,000, and it's this address right here. So obviously you can see the growth in that, and this person can see the growth. So whoever you are, feel free to reach out to me, because one, I just want to talk to you about, obviously your intentions with it, so that we can understand if you are a true supporter of it or if you just want to gain something out of it. I mean, I can't do anything either way, but I do want to know if you just wanted to gain like the most out of it and, get in at the ground floor and just be happy with what you have, because you may have bought in at 19 cents and that would be great. And I just want to, basically look at it to where if you're holding that much, I look at you as more of a partner in a way, even though, you didn't really start the coin. You just established something and stayed with it. You know what I mean? So I want to know who you are. And feel free to reach out to me either on Twitter or wherever, and we can definitely talk. But you're holding 4% of the overall position, which is definitely good. It's not going to absolutely collapse everything if you decided to sell everything, but would have a pretty substantial impact to the price as well. So we really don't have anybody else that's holding a massive amount. Other people that are holding about 1,000, which definitely has a little bit of an impact to the price, but it's not anything that's going to be crazy that will absolutely collapse everything. So it's good to see. I always like to be transparent with you guys. So this is why I'm always open, and I will continue to be open. Currently, the liquidity pools are totaling around $26,000. So we are seeing the value increase. I invested $3,000 into it, and we're seeing that value rise. So thank you guys for being a supporter and being a part of this. But the one thing that we're here for, the one thing that we're here to talk about is coming at the 8-minute mark of this video. And really, it's getting into some of these transfers, because some of these transfers end up looking ridiculous at times. So if I scroll down and I go to the next page, we're going to see different transfers that come in and come out. So 687 coins, right? You saw that transaction there, and that was an in. Let me go ahead and click on their profile here. So you can track everything that they had here. So 5 hours ago, you can see 5 hours and 57 minutes ago, there was a transaction that was out, 680, that was in 680. So it's literally the same day transactions, to where it's like a day trade. You take a huge day trade, you're really pushing the price up and down. And that's the one thing that's happening that's drawing a lot of my attention, right? Seeing this over and over again, I'm tracking the actual address and how many times they buy and sell. And it's been a lot, 700 at times, 500 at times, in the beginning. You're seeing even more. That's just so much that's going in and out of the position. Yes, you can gain a lot from this. You can gain a lot from this specific position, but doing what he or she or, what they're doing is, trying to really game the system in a way. And it's not going to work out the best in every case, right? Because you can lose money very, very quickly. Now, if someone doesn't get in there as you're already in there, then you're basically just going to gain a very, very small amount of money as you do that. But you are increasing and decreasing the price in a big way. So that's one thing that I was looking into that really, got my attention, was the fact that this one wallet keeps making these larger purchases. And I really don't know how to stop it. And I don't I can't say that I want to stop it because I don't want to see those larger candlesticks happen unless they're green candlesticks. But it's stopping the growth, and it seems like this is the wallet that keeps stopping the growth. It's nothing else. It's this wallet. You see a large decrease in the price. Yes, you see the increase in the price up to $3, but then it decreases right away after they do sell it maybe a minute later or a couple of minutes later. So you could see here they buy at 5:59, 5 hours 59 minutes ago, and sold 5 hours 58 minutes ago, right? They bought 6 hours 2 minutes ago, and then they sold 6 hours and 1 minute ago, right? So there's definitely a problem there, and we will figure out how to address it. But right now, I just wanted to make everybody know that that's the problem. And this is the address that we're looking at here that's actually creating that problem. So anyways, we're still in a good spot. We're still fine. We're like a week in and we're seeing some massive growth. We're already up to 300 plus. We've been up to 500 plus $1,000 market cap. And it's amazing to see that we already added a little bit of liquidity at the current prices. So we're creating a higher price floor. And another thing that we are thinking about doing is implementing something where instead of doing a quarterly burn rate, we're thinking about monthly or weekly. And I was even saying something of daily. So if you guys want to see a burn rate of Shiba Inu, because we would sell bits and pieces to burn Shiba Inu daily or weekly or whatever we can save on fees, that would be great. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.